Let's dive right into our app and make some quick enhancements. Here we are back in the app.js file. The first thing I'm going to do is change the name of the request and response parameters. Let's shorten these to rec and res. In all of the Express documentation, as well as examples out there on the internet, you are almost always going to see rec and res. For this reason, let's start getting used to the convention. The cool thing about the res.send method is that you can actually send HTML. Let's do that here by adding h1 tags around the I love TreeHouse string. Now let's start up our server. And when we visit port 3000, localhost 3000 in our browser, we now have the I love TreeHouse string within a header tag. Taking a look at our terminal, it's not very clear what process is running. In fact, it is not clear that there is anything happening in this terminal tab at all. So let's fix that. The listen method can take a callback function as its second parameter. In our callback, let's add a message that paints a picture of what's going on. So we'll say console log front-end server is running port 3000. I like to say front-end here explicitly rather than saying app or server. The reason is because you might have one Express app that runs a front-end site, one that runs a REST API, and still another that runs an admin panel. This is why I always choose to be descriptive when logging messages and picking variable names. It can save you and others a ton of time. Now let's restart the server, see what happens. Control-C to stop the server. Now I'll start it again, and I have my message telling me where I can go to see the app that's running. Great job so far. You've come a long way in a very short period of time. Next, we're going to spend some time learning how to debug Node apps.